Hello, everybody. So, today I wanted to share with you how you can install Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer with using the Windows PowerShell. So I wanted to show you how to do this in case you didn't want to have to use Microsoft Edge or Firefox or Opera in order to download and install the Google Chrome. You can just put in this one command and it'll install it automatically. So let's go over to the Windows 11 machine now and I'll show you all the steps that you have to take in order to install the Google Chrome with the Windows PowerShell. Okay, so I have my Windows 11 computer up and running, and I don't have Google Chrome installed on this computer. If you'll notice, it's not on the desktop right here. It's not on the taskbar right here. And if I click on the start button and then I click on either apps or all apps and I scroll through the list, Google Chrome is not installed on this computer. So the way that we're going to install it is you want to click on the start button. Now, depending on how you have yours set up, you're either going to have the start button at the bottom in the middle or at the bottom left corner of the screen. So go ahead and click on your start button and then you want to type in PowerShell. Now, the very first result is going to be PowerShell, and that's the one that we want to open. But we don't want to just open it, we want to run it as administrator. So go ahead and click on Run as Administrator. Now, in just a moment, it's going to prompt you, do you want to allow PowerShell to make changes to your device? Go ahead and click Yes. Now, here, when it opens up, we're going to need to type in a pretty lengthy command. However, I have made it easier for you. If you'll look down below in the video description, you can easily copy and paste this command in to the PowerShell and then just press enter and it's going to do all the work for you in order to install the Google Chrome on your machine. So let me go ahead and paste that into PowerShell so that you can see it, and then I'm going to press enter and it's going to install that Google Chrome on this Windows 11 computer. So you click on the icon right here and then you click on edit and you click paste. And then there is that long command that I have copied already and I'm going to press enter. Now, this is going to take quite a few minutes, depending on how fast or slow your machine is. It may be finished in just a few seconds. If your machine is a little bit slower, it could take 30 seconds, a minute, maybe even a few minutes, just depending on how quick your machine is. So let's give that just a moment. And as soon as it's done, I'll be right back and I'll show you that Google Chrome is on the machine and it's working. Okay, so my computer just finished installing the Google Chrome on Windows 11. Now, what that command actually did was it downloaded the Google Chrome installer, then it installed Google Chrome on the machine, and then it deleted that temporary Google Chrome installer file because we don't need it anymore now that it's installed on Windows. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up Google Chrome because you can see the shortcut on the desktop. So I'm going to double click on it and it's going to open up Google Chrome. Now, when you open it up for the very first time, it goes through the initial setup. So it wants to know, do you want to sign in or do you not want to sign in? Well, you can go ahead and sign in on yours, but for right now, I'm just going to say don't sign in. And then it also wants to know, do you want to make it the default? Now, if you watched my previous video, which is right up here, that shows you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge, you would probably want to have Google Chrome as your default since you don't have Microsoft Edge on your Windows machine. So you can either choose to make it the default or you can skip it. I'm going to skip it for right now. And then it's going to bring up a new tab in Google Chrome and it's going to tell you about the privacy. So here it is, enhanced ad privacy in Google Chrome. So you can go ahead and read through that if you want to. I'm just going to click got it. And then I'm going to go up here in the address bar and just go to youtube.com just to show you that it's up and it's working. And as you can see, YouTube is pulling up and it's empty right now because I'm not signed into Google Chrome and I'm not signed into YouTube. So it has nothing to base it on, but you can see that it's a empty screen of YouTube. So it is working and you can type in anything that you want to search for on YouTube. So I'm going to put at IT 101 and that's my channel. And so here you go. There's my channel right there. And so you can click on that and watch any of the videos that I have up there. But if you have any questions about this, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to help you. So I hope that was helpful on how you can install Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer by using the Windows PowerShell, or sometimes called the terminal, and get it on your computer. If you do have any questions about this, or maybe you just like for me to go into more depth about it, please let me know down below in the comments and I will do my best to get back to you about it. And if there's a video, topic, article, anything you'd like me to make a video on, please let me know that down below in the comments as well, and I will do my best to create that video for you. And if you found this helpful and you'd like to support this channel, I left a link down below in the video description where you can buy me a cup of coffee if you'd like to. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like how do I install Google Chrome on my Windows 11 computer by using the Windows PowerShell, and I'll be more than happy to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.